The BB gun. We call BB gun in Australia. You shoot there. So 200 peso for the gun.
Thank you. Rishi, come here.
Like that. So this gun here, so it's a BB gun. You said 200? That feels heavy. That's like if I brought this back through customs in Perth, I'll probably get arrested. But here in the Philippines, no problem. But we'll give one a go.
Tatanungin ko po.
Ready? Ready? Let's see if there's any. Oh, gee. There's one? At least? Oh, yes, oh. Austria. Made in Austria? Made in Austria.
China.
China. One more? Any more or no?
No more bullet.
Okay. Well, there you go. So 200 peso
Yeah.
here at the markets on a Sunday. This one in Australia, highly illegal. Yes. You can't. Not allowed. No, you're not allowed. Thank you for showing me. I'll give you something. I don't want to buy it. But because you showed me, just take this. Just to let me. No. It's okay. I'm leaving today anyway. God bless. Salamat. Thank you so much for showing me the phone. Thank you.